Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your information sanctuary for nutrition, weight loss, health, and wellness wisdom. Today, prepare your bags to go on an enlightening journey as we go deep into the amazing world of apple cider vinegar, also known as ACV. So come on and join us as we uncover the top 5 extraordinary benefits of apple cider vinegar that have the potential to revolutionize your well-being. Now, we recommend you sit back, relax, and let's unlock the secrets of this natural elixir together. What is it that makes apple cider vinegar so amazing? In a world brimming with health fads and trends, few remedies stand the test of time like apple cider vinegar. This humble yet mighty elixir has captured the hearts of health enthusiasts worldwide, revered for its myriad of health-enhancing properties. But what exactly makes apple cider vinegar so remarkable? In this comprehensive exploration, we will unveil the science behind apple cider vinegar and unveil its profound impact on the human body and mind. So stay tuned and enjoy the 5 mighty benefits of apple cider vinegar right next. Benefit number 1, the weight loss wonder. Let's embark on our journey by unraveling the weight loss wonders of apple cider vinegar. Picture this. You've been tirelessly striving to shed those stubborn pounds, yet the scale refuses to budge. Include apple cider vinegar, your ultimate ally in the battle against fat. With its potent blend of acetic acid and enzymes, apple cider vinegar ignites your metabolism, torching fat stores and curbing cravings with unparalleled precision. As you sip on this golden elixir, envision your body transforming, inch by inch, into a lean, sculpted masterpiece. Benefit number 2, the digestive benefits of apple cider vinegar. Digestion, the cornerstone of vibrant health and vitality. Yet in today's fast-paced world, many of us find ourselves grappling with indigestion, bloating, and gas. Digestion is a massive part of our daily lives, but at most times so overlooked and taken for granted. But hey, fear not, because apple cider vinegar emerges as the ultimate digestive dynamo, poised to restore harmony to your gastrointestinal kingdom. Through its acidic prowess, apple cider vinegar kickstarts the digestive process, ensuring that every morsel of food is assimilated with grace and ease. Say farewell to bloating and discomfort and embrace a newfound sense of digestive serenity with each sip of apple cider vinegar-infused goodness. Benefit number 3, achieve blood sugar balance. As we go deep in the intricate landscape of health, one factor reigns supreme: blood sugar balance. One of the most important factors that can greatly alter your health are glucose spikes as well as insulin spikes. Here, apple cider vinegar emerges as a beacon of hope, guiding us towards an optimal metabolic harmony. By modulating insulin sensitivity and postprandial blood glucose levels, apple cider vinegar empowers us to conquer the peaks and valleys of our metabolic journey with unwavering power. Picture your blood sugar levels dancing in perfect synchrony as apple cider vinegar orchestrates a symphony of balance and equilibrium within your body. Benefit number 4, apple cider vinegar, the heart health hero. Behold the beating heart, the epicenter of vitality and life force. Yet in a world saturated with dietary obstacles, our hearts often bear the wage of our indulgences. Include apple cider vinegar, the amazing hero of cardiovascular wellness, poised to shield our hearts from harm's way. Through its unparalleled ability to lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure, apple cider vinegar emerges as a steadfast guardian of one of our most precious organs. Envision your heart rejoicing with newfound vigor and vitality as apple cider vinegar paves the way for a lifetime of good cardiovascular health. Benefit number 5, the immune system support. As we navigate the ocean of health and flow of life, one truth remains undeniable: a robust immune system is our most potent defense against adversity. Here, apple cider vinegar blooms as a mighty ally, fortifying our body's natural defenses with its arsenal of antioxidants and antimicrobial properties. Envision your immune system standing tall and stronger, poised to repel invaders and safeguard your well-being with unwavering resolve. With apple cider vinegar by your side, you can embark on each day with confidence, knowing that your body is fortified and protected from within. And if you fall sick for any cause, it will make your body stronger, more resilient, and capable of restoring balance quicker. Now that we've unraveled the 5 top benefits of apple cider vinegar, let's explore some very easy and practical tips for incorporating this liquid gold into your daily routine. What are a couple of practical tips for using apple cider vinegar? Stay with us to learn the Levitas tips for drinking ACV. Tip number 1. Begin your day with a refreshing apple cider vinegar tonic, blending 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with lemon, warm water, and a hint of allulose, stevia, or monk fruit. Tip number 2. Alternatively, drizzle apple cider vinegar over your favorite salads or use it as a savory marinade for meats, eggs, and vegetables. The possibilities are absolutely endless, so get creative and let apple cider vinegar work its magic in every aspect of your culinary repertoire and health. So as we conclude our journey through the world of apple cider vinegar benefits, let us reflect on the profound impact this humble elixir has had on our understanding of weight loss, health, and wellness. Through its remarkable array of benefits, apple cider vinegar has transcended the boundaries of conventional wisdom, emerging as a beacon of hope and healing in a world filled with uncertainty. With each sip of apple cider vinegar-infused goodness, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, reclaiming control of our health and vitality one step at a time. From weight loss wonders to digestive dynamism, blood sugar balance to heart health heroics, apple cider vinegar stands as a testament to the transformative power of nature's bounty. As you incorporate apple cider vinegar into your daily routine, remember to approach its usage with mindfulness and a clear, definite goal to achieve. Pay attention to your body's cues, honor its needs, and embrace the journey of wellness with an open heart and an open mind. Also, for better and enhanced results, mix apple cider vinegar into an already healthy food plan and regular exercise routines. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with apple cider vinegar. We love hearing from you. We appreciate your support. It helps us grow and create even better content for you every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on weight loss, health, and well-being. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.